Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So the problem that I'm going to be attempting today is number 206, reverse a linked list. So just going to read out the spec here. It says given the head of a singly linked list, reverse a list and return the reversed list. So in the example 1 it says head is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the output should be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So constraints, the number of nodes in the list is in the range 0 to 5,000 and each value is going to be between minus 5,000 and 5,000. Okay, so I'm just going to go to my notes here. So I do not have a whole lot of experience with linked lists, but off the top of my head, what I would do is iterate through linked list, gather the nodes values, and put them into a list, and then reverse the list and rebuild the linked list in reverse order. So let's try that. Don't know how easy this can be, but let's give it a go. So what we're going to do is we're going to have values as an empty list. Then we're going to do while self.val is equal to null, or is equal to, or we're just going to say while true. Let's see what we get with this, and then we're going to print we're going to say current node is going to head dot val. It's equal to head, and then what we can say is we can say print current dot next dot val, and then we can say current is equal to current dot next, something like that. It'll throw an error. Oh, not logged in. 2 seconds. Okay, so if we hit run, we get 2, 3, 4, 5, which is what we want because we didn't print 1. So we're going to do values dot append head dot val. There could be 0 nodes. Okay, let's take that into account as well. Let's try this. Can we see if our current dot next is not none? is not none. None type has no attribute val. None type has no attribute val. We could have a line here saying if current is none, return head or return current. Let's see how that goes. Okay, so all of these run. So we've got 2, 3, 4, 5, and if we print out values, we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not quite. Oh, wait, that's why we're printing it, but we're not doing values dot append current dot current dot next dot val. Let's try this. So we've got this, and then we're going to say reverse underscore values is going to be equal to, or in fact we don't even need to reverse it, we just need to rebuild the linked list. So we need to do list node made a list of, or what do we pass into here? Do we pass in the head? Do we return the head of a, I think we return the head of a linked list. So we're going to start off with, so we're going to say for value in values for value in range length of values -1. Is that going to go backwards? Going from that to -1, going back -1 steps. Can we just like print value or print values at index value? Is this going to reverse it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 we should get here. No. Ah, from this -1, sorry, because it's 0 indexed. Sorry, this should still be after here. Five, four, three, two, one. There we go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna say new underscore head is gonna be equal to list node. We're gonna say val is gonna be equal to values -1, and next is going to be equal to, or let's just say that, or do we need to do that? We're going to say for each value, we'll say we're going to create a new list node. We're going to say val, it's going to be equal to values at index value, and next is going to be equal to what are we going to set the next one to? We can't do that just yet, so val is equal to this. Yep, so we've got the list nodes. Let's think about how we can do this. Right, we'll have a new head. It's going to be equal to list node. Okay. For value in here, we'll go from -2 now. Okay. So when you're iterating through it, so we can say the current is equal to this, and then we can say we can then say next is equal to previous, yeah, or next is equal to, oh no, we can see previous dot next is equal to current. Okay, let's try that. We can return new head. Oh, I never actually update what previous is. Previous is now going to be equal to current. Let's try that. Okay, so these three work. Let's Let's stop printing these and try and submit. Perfect. Very slow, but it works. So, thank you very much for watching the video. Hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please leave a comment. If you have some other solution that was a bit more simple or different or just more efficient, yeah, please leave a comment. Love discussing these problems and their solutions. So yeah, thank you once again for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day.